What is going on, guys, and welcome back to Terry's Theories. This is Terry. Hey, another Tic-Tac has been seen, this time over Russia. Check this out. Alright, now here it comes in slow motion. This is a separate one. Now y'all remember I brought y'all the Tic-Tacs over the Illinois River. We're going to do a comparison at the end of the video. So we definitely got something going on here. These objects have been seen in Russia and Illinois, and they appear to be the exact same thing. Now you can say birds or insects, but I don't think so. I don't have a feeling that these are birds or insects. Now the one in Illinois, it comes out of the water like it didn't even phase it, and these things are moving at a high rate of speed. And the uploader of this video said that they were flying around his drone, flying circles around his drone. So they're very interested in it. So what do you guys think that we're looking at here? I've got the slow motion set at 0, and still look how fast this thing is moving on. How fast do you think this thing is going, guys? Tell me, give me a comment, give me a number. What do you think the speed is on this? Guys, what are we looking at? Are we looking at technology, or are we looking at biology? These have been spotted from Russia to Illinois. I'm going to keep track of this. And they've been spotted with drones. I haven't seen them with anything other than drones. The uploader said that they were, whatever these were fascinated with this drone. So they kept flying real close to it and flying circles around it. And he just posted 2 of the best videos of it. Alright guys, this is the video from Illinois River. Now these objects are the same ones that were recorded in Russia. Now I want you guys to pay attention to the tree line, because you're going to see it off in the distance. So keep looking at the tree line behind the barge. Alright, here it comes. Look how fast this thing is moving. Now I've got slow motion on this set at 0. So, and still this thing just flies by. What are these things? Are they tic-tac? Are they technology? Are they biology? Are they mechanical or living? Is this something that has been forgotten and is re-emerging? You know, birds don't fly this fast. I believe a hawk or I'm not sure exactly what bird, it can get up to 200 miles an hour, but that is at a dive. That is coming down at a dive. Now this object we just saw here is on a flat plane, and it zipped by us like nothing. It was moving fast. So what is up with that? What are we looking at? Where do these things come from? What are they? Leave me a comment, guys, and let's talk about it. Now this is not the best picture, man. These things are moving too fast to get a clear picture. But the one on top on the right, you can kind of see, you know, you can kind of see something. I mean, it looks like a cigar shape or a Tic-Tac shape. They're moving too fast to get a clear shot. I bet you anything these are going to pop up in other places. I'm sure there's other videos out there of these objects. I just hadn't seen them yet. I'll find them, and we'll analyze them. I'm really curious to see what these objects are, So we've seen these Tic-Tac shaped UFOs big, like in the Nimitz incidents, and then we've seen them small, like in this case, in Russia and Illinois. Alright guys, hey, I appreciate y'all watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and donate if you can. You know, that helps me with the research. And I really appreciate it, guys. And I really appreciate my subscribers. Alright guys, this is Terry with Terry's Theories. Terry out.